your seat right there. And remember, you have to hold it. Steven, can you reach up here, you think? Hold it right there so it's open for him to see. And Matthew, your other props are down here.
Matthew, that's a big one.
Kindergarten, take a scooch back.
Anaconda.
Find your spot. Nope, on the carpet. And Trevor, you need to scooch back on the carpet. We're going to take one little scoot back.
Spots on their neck.
Okay. If you're crisscross, touch your knees.
Remember,
Remember, questions are at the very end, and Miss R has to film it, so I don't want to have to say, remember to be crisscross. We're just listening to Matthew. Are you ready? Matthew, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. 3,
I know that snakes eat mouse.
2,
And do
1.
not
Trevor.
snake to my house.
Trevor. And begin. Go ahead, Matthew. Tell us about your poster.
Have a test. They live in prairies, water, forest, desert. Fun facts. And Matthew's Antarctica to carnivore, like carnivore is snakes and frogs, and prey, fish, lizards, mollusks, frogs, hogs, fox. Hey, can you tell us about
Trevor, wait till the end for
large
questions.
snake and smallest snakes? Oh. Ears are inside their head. You can't see ears in their head. See that? See how they move, how they get food. They use their tongues and Matthew, they're scary. I don't like snakes. This is my snake toy. Is it a cobra? Yeah. What does it do? Put them down. It moves by itself. Can you put them down and see what? I want to see what it does. I'm just going to write that. Put them down on the ground. I want to see what it does. When you see people, you go like that. Matthew, don't do that. Dad can be scared.
Do you have anything else you want to tell us from your poster before our questions?
Yeah. That's a picture of the anaconda in the back. That's for the belly and then for the back. And that's it.
Wow,
I only got one.
Matthew, that's a lot of stuff. Are you ready for questions?
What about the one that says predator? Predator? Oh no.
Who's a predator of a snake?
A hawk, fox. Fox and hawks eat snakes. What's a prey? Hey, can you put your toy snake on the ground? I want to see what he does.
Kindergarten, if you are on your pockets, touch your knees. Brady, touch your knees if you're on your pockets.
If you broke them, the piece broke.
Matthew, will you look for silent hands? And we have time for about 3 questions for Matthew about snakes.
Allie Joe. Why does your toy snake move by itself? Because if you hold its tails, I want Trevor. Oh, move it. Move it. No. Like this.
Turn around your pockets.
See these green things? It's called green hammer. Okay, green hammer? Yeah. Hammers. Sacred claws. Hey, can I tell you what's Matthew? Yeah.
Okay, Matthew, let's save it for the very end to let people try it.
Okay.
We'll have answered 2 more questions first, okay? Look for friends who are raising their hands silently.
I'm going to choose it with my snake.
Trevor, what's your question? Oh, Matthew, you hold on to it until the questions are finished. Trevor, what's your question for Matthew?
I'm looking with everybody. Whoa.
Trevor, what are you wondering?
What does it do? It does tricks when I let it go. When I let it go in the ground, it does tricks like this. Yeah.
Matthew, could you try on the table maybe so everybody could see?
Okay.
Try it right there on the table. Stay on your pockets, Kindergarten.
Can you hear this now? Sound like this. Here. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Matthew, one more question. Sarah. 5.
I
Trevor.
Go.
Matthew, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 silent hands. Who are you going to call on?
I hate them. Snakes don't Sarah, especially wrong. When did you get that snake? My mom bought it. No, but I said when did she buy it? Be crisscross.
Matthew, do you know when she bought it?
What?
When did she get it for you?
She got it in the store.
At the store? What day?
When did like this again?
Yeah.
Just for
Hey, Matthew, Sarah asked you when, what day?
I don't know what day.
Do you remember? Nope. Okay.
What day was it, Mom?
just for the presentation.
Oh, cool. So maybe just a couple of days ago. Okay, Matthew, now you get to pick somebody to say thank you for sharing, Matthew. Matthew, who are you going to pick?
I'm probably Matthew.
Okay, Matthew, let's do this. Come on over here. Here, hold on a second. Everybody needs to stay seated so quietly, but here's what we'll do. You come stand right here, Matthew, and we are moving back to our mats for just a couple more minutes. So Matthew will call you one at a time, but you have to be seated crisscross. And you can come up and hold it really quickly, and then go sit down and work on your mat. Okay? Find somebody who's sitting quietly.
I want everybody to get in line so they can touch it.
Well, they will get in line, but right now you have to call them one at a time. Only the people who are sitting quietly.
Can
Okay?
I hold it once?
Okay, you have about 3 seconds to hold it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, pass it back to Matthew. And Brady, go sit down and keep working on your mat. Who else is next, Matthew?
Sarah.
3, 2, 1. Cool. Okay. Okay, Sarah, go find your mat. You have to keep working after these people are done. Go ahead. Good. 3, 2. You have to hold it up tall. 1, 0. Okay, pass it to Matthew. That is so cool. Matthew, who's next?
Next is doing like this. Wait.
Pass it to Andrew.
You do it. You do it.
3, 2, 1. Good. Pass it back to Matthew. Okay, who else, Matthew?
Okay. Okay. Come on. Next is like this.
Can you say their name when you do that? Good. Yeah, Trevor like that.
Do it like this, okay?
I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna push.
Ooh, 3, 2, 1. Pass it back to Matthew. Good. Okay, pass it back to Matthew. Please go find your spot. Okay, Noah. Matthew, pass to Noah.
Do it like this.
3, 2, 1. Pass it back to Matthew. Okay, go find your spot, Matthew. Who else?
Okay. Allie Joe. I hold it. Next, touching me.
3,
Touching in the back.
3.
Get a chance to hold it.
Come on,
Look at
one.
all these people are reading stuff.
Come on, one ito.
Pass to Ellie Joe. 3, 2, 1. Pass it back to Matthew. Good job, Ellie Joe.
Be careful with it. It's like.
Yeah, it's really cool.
If that breaks, I can fix it.
3, 2, 1. Pass it to Matthew. Good, Chaz. Go find your math work. Okay, Matthew. Who else? Oh, you're done with all your math? Go get it. I want to see. Yeah. Trevor, find your spot, please.
Let it go.
3, 2, oh, safely. 1. Pass it back to Matthew. Good.
Okay,
Who else,
Steven?
Matthew? Trevor.
I don't watch it.
Okay, just watch it. Whoa, safely. Steven, 3. Pass it back to Matthew. Thanks for saying sorry. Find your spot.
I'm Matthew.
Okay, really safely, Dylan.
He is sweet.
3, 2, 1. Pass it back to Matthew.
He's nice.
Matthew, who else over here? Trevor already had a turn. Look over here, Matthew. Who else over here? You have about about 3 minutes before Janiel's family will be here.
Is he? Can I feel him?
Tyler, you already had a turn.
I want to see him.
Do you have more in there? Whoa, tell me about this part.
This? Okay. It's for my toys. It's for my toy snake, and I give it to them.
Oh, Matthew, that's so cool. Here, why don't you put it in here, and then after everybody's seated, we could do that here. Wait just a second, put those back in here. Let's finish with this, and then we could do this part, okay? So, Izzy, tell Izzy who to pass it to. Trevor, come here, please. Trevor 3.
Let it go.
You need to be sitting doing your math or a teacher break. Which one?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, Izzy, go find your spot. Who are you going to pass to next? Matthew? Neil.
What the? You don't have to do this? Try to do it on
3, 2, 1. Pass it back to Matthew. Who's next, Matthew? We'll find your seat for just a second. I'll be right there. We're almost done. Okay, Matthew, pass it. Matthew, you flip our friend. Pass this. Then come find your spot on the carpet, Max. Safely, Cyrus. None of us. Thank you. Go find your spot, Cyrus. Max, really quickly if you want to turn.
Can you go around me?
Moro nito amito.
Put it like that.
Matthew, as soon as Janelle is finished with his star share, I'll have you pass these out, okay? So cool. Awesome. Can I have a high five, hug, or handshake? Which one? You did an excellent job with your presentation.
I'm gonna play with my snake.
Here, let's put